Thomas puffed into the yard and backed up to the paint freight cars. But Diesel was in the yard too.
Now I'll show Thomas who is best,
Diesel whispered, and he gave the cars an extra hard shunt. Paint cans flew into the air and splattered down all over Thomas. There was red paint, yellow paint, and green paint. Thomas looked very silly indeed.
Stripey boiler,
Laughed Diesel, and he rolled away. I'll show those Diesels, puffed Thomas. So the next time Thomas saw Splatter, he gave him a biff. Oh! And when Splatter saw James, he gave him a bump. Soon the Diesels and the Seamies were biffing and banging and being bumped all over the island. The engines were in a terrible mess. Everyone needed a good washdown, and no work had been done.